Yeah, this June 17th, 2025, we got a very interesting forecast according to the Storm Prediction Center today, and that's what the Storm Prediction Center looks like. Yeah, I'm saying a pretty crazy forecast. That's the summary. That's what the National Weather Service and convective outlooks are saying for June 17th. You know, this evening into the wee hours of June 18th, 2025. They said a high damaging wind threat. Look at those speeds there, 70 to 100 miles an hour. Yeah, I'm saying all this is going on today on American soil while everybody's distracted, with the Mideast over there between Israel and Iran. A lot of severe weather going on. Yeah, that's a level 4 out of 5 there for Kansas and Oklahoma. Southern Kansas, northern Oklahoma, level 4 out of 5 today. Oh, I'd show everybody that, after everybody's distracted in the Mideast and Iran and them, all of that stuff, and